Good day. My name is Shalene Pillay. My student number is 202124. The game I have chosen is 20 seconds for my natural science grade 6 learners. The topic for our game is on ecosystems and food webs. This game consists of 20-second board, a timer, a dice, tokens, and cards. 20 seconds is a game that gives you literally 20 seconds to answer a question. Each team will select a token and place it on start. Each group will be asked to throw the dice. The group that lands the highest score gets to start first. One member from the group picks up a card, either orange or green. One player from that group must guess a word from their team's explanation. The main aim of this game is to answer as many possible questions in 20 seconds. The person providing an explanation to the answer cannot use the answer in his clue or explanation. Any member in their team may answer the question. The dice must be rolled before the card is picked up. At the end of the team's turn, the number that was rolled needs to be subtracted from the number of names the team correctly identified. The team then moves their token to that number of squares if it was 2. If, for example, the team rolled a 0 and they got 3 out of 3 right, they will move their square 3 places. If the team rolled 1 and they got 3 out of 3 right, they will need to minus 1 and they will only be allowed to move 2 squares. The person describing the word may not look at the card until the timer is turned over and they must say go. Right? The winning team is the team that reaches the finish square first. To reach the finishing square, the group needs to answer the most. Game-based learning motivates learners to learn about the subject. These learning activities influence the learning outcomes of students. Competition is an important part of this game feature. Learners learn how to collaborate, communicate, and interact with each other. And also they will learn how to work in teams. This game will allow learners to learn the different kinds of ecosystems. Learners will be able to identify the relationships between living and non-living things in an ecosystem. This game will allow learners to identify organisms in a food web. The disadvantage of this game is many learners may not have the opportunity to provide an explanation for the answer on the cards that has been provided.